Once you take your Pillsbury Grand biscuits out of the container, you want to unroll them all so they're in one long sheet. Now, yes, they do have to be the Pillsbury Grand because those are the only ones that you can unroll. You want to push them together, making sure they are nice and secure, and maybe even just spreading out the dough just a little bit. I did put some flour down. You can see it's just going to prevent it from sticking, and it looks like those are all nice and smashed together. Ooh, I love the cinnamon. Ooh, smells so good. Once you have that all good to go, you guys, come on over here to our bowl. We're gonna add 8 ounces of cream cheese right in there and 1 cup of sugar. Yummy. Then we're gonna throw in a little bit of fresh vanilla. We're gonna work with 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we'll pour that right in there. Now you're gonna wanna mix this all together until that cream cheese is mixed up with that sugar. Ooh, making a sweet cream cheese filling. This is looking creamy, and ooh, everything looks like it's really mixed together. I only made a little bit of a mess, so I'll consider that a win. Here, let's give it a try. Always taste test. Always taste test. Never go wrong. Perfect. All right, you guys, now for the fun part. We're gonna take this delicious, almost cheesecakey filling, right? And we're gonna just spread it all over the top of these cinnamon rolls that we just unrolled. Look at how easy this is. So we've got our cinnamon rolls rolled out. We mixed our 1 cup of, sugar with our 1 teaspoon of vanilla and our 8 ounces of cream cheese, which is just 1 bar. And now we're gonna take all of this, and I'm not gonna be stingy about it. I'm gonna put a nice layer. You know what, if it oozes out, I don't care. This is like my favorite part. Now, if you have some left over, save it. It's perfect for a fruit dip or to stick some pretzels in. Oh my God, it's divine. All right, now check this out. I have some fresh strawberries that I chopped up, and I'm gonna layer these strawberries on top. Ooh, wait, just like that, you guys. This has got summer written all over it. A nice sweet treat for maybe a Sunday summer morning breakfast. So I'm gonna put a nice layer of strawberries right on top. And like I said, you know what? I'm gonna save the rest of these strawberries, and I'm gonna put them with the leftover of that cream cheese frosting. It's gonna be super good. Okay, so here we go, you guys. This is the test of your skill when you start to roll up this cinnamon roll. So now we unrolled it, we stuffed it, and now we're rolling it back up. And like I said, if some of that cream cheese seeps out or whatever, it is all good, you guys. This is gonna be the most tasty, easy breakfast. Look at all that tasty cinnamon that we have on the outside that looks so delicious. Ooh, yummy. I'm gonna try the best that I can. It's okay if it's a little bit messy. I'm gonna use my clean hands here. I'm just gonna scoop it right underneath. And this is the fun part, you guys. I'm gonna transfer it right over here into my banana bread tin. Look at that. It fits perfectly in there. Ooh, this is gonna help it hold its structure and bake deliciously. This looks absolutely delicious, you guys. Stick around. You are gonna love to see how this turns out. It's gonna be phenomenal. Ooh, I can't wait. Ooh-wee, you guys, I am eager for this one. I let it cool down a little bit, and that's what you wanna do to allow that to keep its shape. Now, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna try to just carefully flip this over, hoping that it keeps its shape. And look at that giant loaf right here. Let's just go ahead and give it a flip. Wow, that looks amazing, you guys. This looks so good, and I'm so stoked how it kept its bread-like shape in that loaf. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna take this frosting and we are gonna drizzle that frosting. Yeah, I know, right? All on top. What a fun twist on using those cinnamon rolls. Okay, so we got all that frosting out there. We wanna make sure that we do this. Now, this is what I really wanna see, you guys. I'm gonna cut right in here, right into the front. Let's cut all the way down. Oh, let's see. Oh, I see that strawberry and that cream cheese. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. You know what? I'm not even gonna use a plate. I think I can just pick it up. Look at that swirl inside with the strawberry.
Take a big bite.
Okay, don't judge me. This is a judgment-free zone. Okay. What do you do when people are not looking? I don't know if you would eat this for dessert or for breakfast or what, but wow. And those real strawberries, I'm gonna get to some of those strawberries right there. This is amazing. It's like we got this cream cheese filling, the delicious strawberries rolled up in the cinnamon roll, made into a loaf. How fun is this idea, you guys? I hope you love it. Tell me, would you switch anything up? We'll see you guys later and enjoy. I know I am.